Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to open and view system information panel on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to view your system information panel or if you want to know your system configuration, then I will show you simple and easy method. Just you have to click on this search menu, then type here MS Info. You can see here system information. You just need to click on this. You can see all your system information here, your processor and your RAM. If you scroll down below, you will find your RAM and your graphic card details and your username and your BIOS version. All the details you will see here. That's it guys. So in this way you can open and view your system information panel on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.